Baked salmon. 1 whole fillet of salmon, around 1 kilogram, half a lemon, 300 grams of soft goat's cheese, 4 tablespoons of sun-dried tomato paste, 50 grams of fresh white breadcrumbs, 25 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, plus extra to drizzle, basil leaves, finely sliced red onion, black olives, caper berries, and capers to garnish. Preheat the oven to 230 degrees. Put the salmon fillet, skin side down, on a large non-stick baking sheet. Squeeze the lemon over and season with plenty of freshly ground black pepper. Spread the goat's cheese, followed by the tomato paste, over the salmon. Mix the breadcrumbs and grated cheese in a bowl. Season with freshly ground black pepper. Sprinkle the breadcrumb mixture over the salmon, pressing the crumbs into the tomato paste. Drizzle over 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then cook in the oven for 20 minutes until the flesh is just opaque and the crumbs are crisp and golden. Remove from the oven and slide onto a serving platter. Drizzle with oil, garnish and serve. Enjoy cooking. Like and subscribe for new recipes.